Welcome to tax lessons and inner presentation. Last class we covered up levy and collection under GST. What does levy means? Levy means imposition taxes. It means when the tax liability arises to the supplier and what is the method of remittance to the government. And we studied about forward charge, reverse charge, suppliers who has to pay tax under RCM, and how to take ITC under RCM, etc. etc. Today we are going to cover up composition levy. First we understand what is composition levy. It is just a alternative method to normal levy and specifically designed for small taxpayers whose turnover didn't exceed 1.5 crores in the preceding financial years. It means the person whose turnover didn't exceed preceding financial year 1.5 crores can opt for composition levy. For composition levy, the supplier has been classified as manufacturer whose tax rate CGST 0.5%, SGST also 0.5%, traders CGST 0.5%, SGST 0.5%, services like restaurants not providing alcohol CGST 2.5%, SGST 2.5%, other service providers CGST 3%, SGST 3%, provided that the turnover should not exceed 1.5 crores during preceding financial year. Here we must understand what is aggregate turnover for composition levy. It is same like normal taxpayers. What aggregate turnover is? Aggregate turnover includes all turnover like taxable supplies, export supplies, exempt supplies to be considered pan India basis, except inward supplies under RCM. So we also must know who can apply for composition levy. Restaurant services who cannot apply for composition levy. This is telling that the person who is making interstate supply of goods, services, or both, the person like casual taxable person, non-resident taxable person, person making interstate supplies, person engaged through e-commerce. These people they cannot take composition levy. Here the advantage is the person paying tax under composition levy having tax lesser compliance as compared to normal suppliers, and the tax liability also will be less because this tax under composition levy is lesser than normal levy. Composition dealer cannot collect tax from the buyer. Also, he cannot forward the ITC to the buyer. Here, the ITC chain breaks. Composition dealer need to pay tax in a quarterly statement, that is CMP 0.8. Here, the option available by registered person shall lapse. The composition levy shall lapse if the turnover exceed the limit specified under the Act. Composition rate should not be used for reverse charge purposes, because reverse charge purpose we have to use normal rate specified under the Act. A person opting for composition levy will have to pay tax on quarterly basis, not on monthly basis. And a person can opt for composition levy before the beginning of financial years. The taxpayer has to mention composition taxpayer. The taxpayer has to mention that he is paying tax under composition basis in his notice board, sign board, and also in invoices. Here, to opt for composition levy, taxpayer has to file GST CMP 02 to the government. And I discussed above also the advantages and disadvantages of taking composition levy. That is lesser compliance, limited tax liability for that is advantages to the supplier. Disadvantages like a dealer cannot make interstate transactions, cannot avail ITC, cannot supply exempted goods, cannot sell goods online. So these are the laws which are attached to composition levy. and it is very beneficial to the person, small business persons,